Hey, good evening, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow for Tuesday, February 17th, I'm sorry. Well, you can take a look. It certainly did not hold. We were looking at that level for quite a while, and it was basing and basing just below 8,000, and today it really broke pretty well. I had to move the fib line down. So now we have new fibs from the highs of 1.6 till today's lows. You can see the T8 is above us and is at 79.90. Our 20-day moving average now, which will be resistance, is 8,061. And our 50-day moving average is 83.52, which is right at the 50% retracement level. So watch that for some resistance above our head if and when we get there. Okay, let's take a look. Since we have those numbers, let's look at support and resistance on a shorter term. And we still have the same downside support level of 81.84, and that was breached 4 days ago, which is a bearish sign. Now let's take a look at our longer term DT support and resistance. We broke a downside level of 81.62 also 4 days ago, which is a bearish sign. And now, of course, those levels provide resistance on the way up. The upside resistance level, once we get through those, is on a longer term is 89.31. Let's visit our Chande chart checkup. That is giving us right now a bias for prices downwards. Short-term and intermediate term prices are moving and trending down. The projected upper bound is 80.44, and that's coinciding right with the T8 and 20 period moving average right in the same area. The projected lower bound is 7,024. So that's another 500 points below us. Let's check the Rex Tagasugi TD profile. Today the Dow was down 268 points and volume was a little above average. Bollinger Bands are now 54% narrower than normal. The short-term outlook is neutral, while the intermediate and long-term outlooks are bearish at this point. The Dow Jones is currently 26.4% below the 200 period moving average, which is still in a downtrend. The volume indicators reflect the in and out flows of the Dow relatively equal at this point. The trend following oscillators are currently bearish and have had this outlook for 21 periods. So that's our quick look at the Dow today, Dow Directions. Please visit the site, www.teachtalktrade.com, and see if there's anything of interest there. I'm sure there will be. We have a swing trading system for equities and a day trading room for those who like to trade the ES. And you can see the track record that we have daily, weekly, and monthly. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you tomorrow.